Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss panic selling and why I think precious metals is a great investment to be involved in if you are one of these people that find it very hard to hold through the downturns of the market. Now, unlike other investments such as stocks and crypto, if you've got an app and it's very easy to buy and sell when the market starts dipping like it has done over the last kind of course of the last year or so, it's very easy just to press a button and you sold, and quite often people panic and they sell at a loss. Now, what's so good about precious metals and things that you actually have in your hand, tangible assets, is it's not as easy to panic sell. So you can't just click a button and this is sold. And one of the reasons why I love investing in silver so much, because you're kind of forced to hold in a way, because if you've got a stock app, for example, like I just said, if you see the market's going down, you click a couple of buttons and you've got your money back. Now, as with silver and gold, it's a lot harder to do. You have to list the items online, wait to see if they're going to sell. You could take it to a coin shop, but then again, you've got to find a coin shop or a bullion dealer nearby. If it's kind of on a weekend and the coin shop it might be a Sunday, the coin shop might be closed, so you'd have to wait till the Monday. And all these little things and all these factors in between, it's not as easy just to liquidate your stock. Now, when I do eventually come to sell in the future, which will be a long time from now, I'm talking at least 30 years, if at all, then obviously it's going to take me a while to liquidate everything I hold, and I'll have to do it different methods. I might choose to sell some to a bullion dealer, I might choose to sell some to a coin shop, I might choose to sell some online on the Silver Forum, on eBay, wherever I decide to start offloading my precious metals. It's going to take time and I'll have to do it in stages. So this is why I love precious metals. You're forced to hold. It's a lot harder to panic sell. And someone like me who changes their mind very quickly about certain assets, like when I was involved in crypto, for example, one minute you're all in on, I don't know, Cardano, and the next minute you're like, oh, XRP looks like it's promising. Right, I'm going to sell my Cardano. I'm going to move over to XRP. I look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having a bit of a run. Right, I'm going to sell my XRP. I'm going to move into Bitcoin. And the markets have shown us over the years that you do much better if you just hold an asset instead of flipping and trying to trade assets as a long term. Again, this is not financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, so you need to do your own research on any investments. But this is what I've noticed personally, and this is what I've spoken to other people about that have been investing a lot longer than me, and they found that if you just buy an asset and you hold it through the ups and the downs, you make a lot better return than if you're trying to jump on different trends, and you might sell at a loss here and then make a little bit here, but then sell a bit here and lose money here. And as you're trying to flip assets, you're gradually losing the value of what you've put in originally. So this is why precious metals is such a great investing strategy, because you buy one of these, you put them away. If the market drops a little bit, like the silver, the spot price I think at the moment is about £17, so it's dropped a little bit over the last couple of weeks or so. I'm not panicking. I'm not pressing a button and selling and waiting until it starts going up again and all the rest of it. I brought these now. These are, like I said, are here for minimum 30 years. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on precious metal investing. Is that one of the reasons you like precious metals, because it is a lot harder to panic sell? Or are you the opposite? Do you prefer more liquid assets that you can sell quicker? What are your preferences? Because it will work both ways. Some people might see that as a disadvantage. They might think that you can't get your money out of these quickly enough. So if you wanted to move it to another investment or another asset, it's a lot harder to do so. Like I said, I personally think the other way. I think it's great that it's harder for me to get my money out of these things because it does force you to hold. And I've always just preferred tangible assets. I've always preferred having something that I can actually hold in my hand, a piece of silver actually in my hand, not just some figures on an investing app. So yeah, just a short video there. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.